Hi viewers, good day to all. I am Waseem. Welcome to my channel Airlines 619. In this tutorial, I have explained about sum if function. Sum if function is used for only one single condition. For example, if you have n number of candidates, if you want to do the sum value of particular candidate in this scenario, you can apply sum if function. If you have multiple conditions in that scenario, you have to use sum ifs function. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain about sum if formula. So in this tutorial, I have explained a very important concept of parameters of the sum if function. If you want to become an expert of any formula, you have to understand the parameters. Sum if function have three parameters: first, range; second, criteria; and last, sum range. In this tutorial, I have explained about data validation also. Those who want to learn data validation, they can watch this tutorial. So without wasting time, let's switch on laptop screen.
Friends, right now I am on my laptop screen. This is my data sheet, serial number, salesman names, car names, number of car sold. Here I want to know the sum value of particular salesman which has been sold the cars. Here I am using sum if function. Sum if function is used to add all numbers in a range of cell based on only one criteria. Sum if function has three parameters: range, criteria, sum range. First, range, the range of cells that you want to apply the criteria against. Second, criteria, the criteria is used to determine which cells to add. And last, sum range, this is an array of numeric values or cells containing numeric values that are to be added together if the corresponding range entry satisfy the supplied criteria. This is my range, comma. This cell is nothing but my criteria, comma. And last, this is my sum range. And I close the bracket and I press enter. Point to be noted, in J5, if I type the salesman name, the sum value will appear in K5. Let me show you. Press enter. Here I type ARSH, Arsh. This is the salesman name. Here the sum value will be displayed. If I type James, 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 it display the sum value of Mr. James. Friends, if you don't want to type salesman name, you can add data validation also. Let me show you. Click on data tab and select data validation option. From allow, click here and select the list. In source, you have to select this all salesman names and OK. That's it. Here the list has been ready. Just click which salesman sum value you want. Here Vicky 33, Arsh 16. Let's check it out. The formula is properly working or not. Arsh 1, 2, yes, 16 is properly working. That's all about sum if function. I hope friends you understood this tutorial. If you understood, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Waseem is signing off.